how to download YouTube Shorts to Gallery. Welcome to our video. Let's talk about how to download YouTube Shorts directly to your phone's gallery. The truth is, there isn't an official way to save shorts as standalone video files in your gallery. You'll see plenty of websites and apps claiming they can do it, but using those comes with risks like malware pop-ups or compromised accounts. The safest option is still through YouTube Premium. When you're subscribed, you'll find the download button under Shorts inside the YouTube app. Once you tap it, the video saves offline and you can watch it anytime in your library or downloads, even without internet. While the file won't appear in your gallery as a normal video, this is the secure and reliable way to keep Shorts offline viewing.